What's going on? It's your boy C-Trel, and today, real quick, I'm about to get on Robinhood and I'm about to try to sell my AMC puts. All right, I got 4 contract puts in AMC, so I'm about to see if I can sell them before the end of day. So we're gonna do it on my other phone, right? All right, 1 second. All right, here we go. So we're about to go into Robinhood. All right. Put in the password. All right, so let's go to this option right here, AMC 0.5 put. We're gonna go to trade, sell. All right, we're gonna change that 1 to 4. We're gonna ask for 0.01. Review it. Looks good. Send it off. All right, boom. We placed that. I doubt it's gonna go through because this put is so far off. You know what I'm saying? So, but anyway, I just wanted to do that right quick, show y'all everything. So thank y'all for watching this quick Robinhood tutorial video. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we're gonna keep going up, keep putting out great content, and keep doing this for y'all. All right, appreciate y'all. See y'all next time.